Park where Blaine got married, and I'm loving this tree and the pole holding it up. How cool is that? There's a pole holding the branch up because it's the coolest tree. It's another sunny day, and there's the Bushy Park Homestead. Shut today because the power's off. Hi Lacey. Hello, it's Dale here from R&D Adventures. I'm just giving you some information. Interesting. It's Bushy Park Homestead is from the Edwardian era and was built for G.F. Moore in 1906. It has 22 rooms, 5 of which are available for paying guests to use. And the Bushy Park Tarapuruhi Trust cares for the sanctuary in partnership with Forest and Bird. And one of the many scenic walks has a northern rata tree named Whanganui, and may be one of the largest trees in New Zealand. And it could be as old as 1,000 years. The park is a 25-minute drive from Whanganui and is on 98 hectares of land. The fenced-off, pest-free predator fence was built in 2005. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, you go in. We've been in, I've got photos. Asia was playing the piano.
I've never been.
Oh. What? Hey, it worked for once. You did it and it worked. Where's everybody? You doing it again? You're terrible.
I want to watch the video.
Here's the predator-free fence, and there's a predator box. It's really working. Right. I see water. It must be the wetlands. How cool. Oh no! He got you, Lacey. He got you. When you were little, Lacey, we came here. We had to make sure you didn't run out into the water. She's not going to frighten me, is she? Oh, yeah. You're there, and I'm looking at this. I didn't even see you. Oh, you're crazy. Right, let's... Where's Grandad? You crazy bear. Beautiful track. I can see you. I can see you. No, not working. Ah. In memory of David Cheswell, he loved the New Zealand bush and birds. What's the name of the tree? Cody. Might give it a Cody dieback. But yes, it's a perfect trunk. Beautiful trunk. And then it goes to the kiddy-doo. Can we see it?
I can see the bum.
Oh, you can see it.